YouTube channel. So for today's video, may panibagong site na naman tayong pagkakitaan. Ito ang ThroneTUT.com. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-sign up or register dito? Ilagay lamang ang ating phone number, then login password, then ang ating security password. So once na napila pa lang natin ito, click lang natin itong registration. So yun guys, once na sign up or register at makapag-login, meron pa welcome sa atin si Throne TUT. So, welcome to Throne TUT Promotion Account Commission Ratio. Level 1, 12%. Level 2, 5%. Level 3, 3%. For example, subset recharge 100 TRX case. Level 1 deposit 100 TRX to get 12 TRX. Level 2 deposit 100 TRX to get 5 TRX. Then level 3 deposit 100 TRX to get 3 TRX. So unlock your wealth password and give you one more chance to make money easily in your life. First, deposit to activate miners to get 1 to 10 TRX or USDD random rewards. Official Telegram, click on the upper right corner to enter the Telegram customer service. So yun guys, we have here the recharge and withdraw. So we have here then investment recommendations. We have TRX daily return 5% cycle 1 day. And then guys, makikita din natin yung ating transaction data dito, yung mga nag-recharge and withdraw and invest. So we have active user here na 3,855,877. So guys, magtungo tayo dito sa ating trade. So yun guys, kung nakatungo tayo sa ating trade, we have here the trading profit, 24-hour settlement. Cloud mining is working positive 6%. So magtungo tayo dito sa ating invest. So once na nakatungo tayo sa ating invest, we have here the investment TRX daily return 5% cycle 1 day. And guys, magtungo naman tayo sa ating share. So yun guys, once na nakatungo tayo sa ating share, we have here the QR code, then yung ating referral link. So once paano ba tayo makapag-earn na rewards? So kailangan lang natin itong copy lang natin itong ating link, then i-share natin siya through social media like Facebook, Instagram at Messenger. So reward wireless level 3 through sharing and referrals. Level 1 12%, level 2 5%, level 3 3%. A invites B to deposit 100 TRX, A gets 12 TRX to the reward account. So B invites C to deposit 100 TRX, A gets 5 TRX to the promotion account, B gets 12 TRX. So C invites D to recharge 100 TRX, A gets 3 TRX to the promotion account, B gets 5 TRX, C gets 12 TRX, and so on. So promotional accounts, there are no restriction on withdrawals. All TRX can be withdrawn from the reward account at once. So, magtungo naman tayo sa ating My. So yun guys, kung nakatungo tayo sa ating My, magtungo muna tayo sa ating announcement. So once na nakatungo tayo sa ating announcement, we have here the contract announcement, cooperation partner, popular activities. So magtungo tayo muna sa ating contract announcement. So in case once na nakatungo tayo sa ating contract announcement, we have here the cloud computing is a long-term stable income investment products, and the income is determined by its own principle. It is the company purpose that everyone can get benefits and everyone can participate in mining. Everyone is equal. So first, basic income can be withdrawn daily in stable income. Second is that the periodic investment needs to reach the contract period and the mining machine has successfully verified the data to complete the withdrawal. All principal plus income are fully withdrawn. Throne TUT only conducts legal mining, continue to generate revenue for users. We uphold that the user is God and the safety of users' fund is the first priority. And the second one is magtungo naman tayo sa ating cooperation partner. So once na nakatungo tayo sa cooperation partner, we have here the official partner, Binance, Dcoin, Huobi, Caltex.io, Cashires, Kraken, OKEX, Qcoin, MXC.com, FTX, HBTC, Gate.io, Biki, CoinTiger, DigiFinex, Xrates, Xmo, Felixco, Coinfield, CoinX, Changelly, Pro, CAX.io, BW.com, BTSC, PKEX, Bitjet, Bithumb, Bitcoin.com, FatBTC, Coin1, and the last one is Crex24. So after the cooperation partner, we have here the popular activities. So, popular activities, Tron TUT is an ambitious project dedicated to building a truly decentralized internet and its infrastructure. The Tron protocol is one of the largest blockchain-based operating systems in the world, providing high throughput, high scalability, and high availability underlying public blockchain support for all the decentralized applications in the Tron ecosystem. There are two ways to play with this product. One is the basic wallet investment and mining income, and the other is the promotion wallet. No investment, just share the invitation and get paid. First, basic wallet mining income. For example, 1000 times 0.05 times 10 days is equal to 500 TRX contract period 1 year. The second is referral rewards. So rewards, we have here the level, reward percentage, investment, and bonus. So level 1, the reward percentage is 12% and investment bonus is 100 TRX then 12 TRX. So level 2, the reward percentage is 5% then investment bonus is 100 TRX then 5 TRX. So level 3, reward percentage is 3% then one investment bonus is 100 TRX to 3 TRX. Tron TUT is a decentralized intelligence that truly achieves zero investment and zero risk. Many agents have zero investment and earn income every day. Telegram customer service at Tron TUT, then Telegram customer service at Tron TUT. WhatsApp customer service is 855-888-772-157. Official website trontut.com. So yung guys, once na nakabalik tayo sa ating meron tayo dito invitation code, then TRX wallet, and USDT wallet. And then we have here the account recharge. So magtungo tayo sa ating account recharge. Then yun guys, narito ang ating QR code, then yung ating recharge address. So once na kinapi lang natin ito at nilagay lang natin ito, pinis lang natin ito sa ating account, at once na nakapag-deposit or recharge na tayo, click lang natin to recharge complete, then papasok na yung dineposit natin dito sa ating site. So magtungo naman tayo sa ating withdrawal. Sa ating withdrawal naman guys, meron tayo ditong TRX then USDT. So kung ano yung amount na gusto natin, total amount ng ating TRX then yung ating USDT, same lang siya guys. So ilalagay lang natin yung ating amount, desired amount ng ating withdrawin, then yung password, then yung ating account na papapasukan ng ating ika-cash out. So make sure lang guys na tama ang inyong i-input lang dito na ilalagay kasi doon papasok yung ating i-withdraw. So click lang natin yung submit once na okay na siya guys. So yun guys, ito nagkatapos ang aking video. So mag-register na kayo dito sa ating site. So huwag din kakalimutan na i-click ang ating subscribe button, then ng ating notification button para mas update pa kayo sa mga i-release.